Welcome back. In news overseas, wildfires are spreading across France and Spain, forcing more than 300,000 people to leave their homes. France is facing its biggest wildfires in 20 years. In Spain, officials say the fires around Madrid are the worst the region has ever seen. The fires come after a very hot summer across Europe, with temperatures climbing above 40 degrees Celsius or 104 degrees Fahrenheit in many places. Around Madrid, several wildfires have burned about 770 square kilometers or 297 square miles. That's an area bigger than the city of Madrid. In France, the hardest hit area is Gironde, near the city of Bordeaux, where more than 200 people have been forced to leave their homes.